Hi, I'm Jack and I work on the creative team at Herb UK. Today I'm going to tell you all about our henna cream range, which I use myself, and I promise it couldn't be any easier to use. So stick around and I'll show you the steps later in this video. Tints of Nature's henna cream colours are semi-permanent, which means they're completely free from ammonia, peroxide and PPD, or any other permanent colour pigments for that matter. They're also 100% cruelty-free and vegan, and made right here in England's New Forest. Being a semi-permanent colour, we don't guarantee full grey coverage with the henna cream range, but many people find it will blend and disguise their grey hairs. Coverage really does vary from head to head, so if it's full grey coverage you're after, your best option is our permanent range. So why would you choose the henna cream range? The henna cream range is perfect for people with sensitivities to the pigments found in permanent hair dyes. They're also great if you're wanting to try out a new shade, but don't want the long-term commitment of a permanent colour. And they're ideal for adding shine and refreshing or tweaking your tone in between permanent colour sessions. Henna cream colours are packed with beautiful, nourishing ingredients, including henna leaf extract to add shine, aloe and chamomile to soothe the scalp, and orange and grapefruit to strengthen and condition the hair. Plus, it has 100% natural fragrance, so no nasty synthetic fragrance headaches on our watch. In line with Tints of Nature's sustainability standards, the henna cream range is packaged in 100% recycled cardboard boxes. Inside the box, you'll find our detoxifying charcoal shampoo, which you use before colouring to remove any impurities and product build-up that could affect the performance of your gentle henna cream dye. The pre-mixed and ready-to-use dye is housed in a 100% recycled waste plastic bottle, which is also fully recyclable. So be sure to rinse it out and pop it in your recycling bin when you're finished. We've also included a pair of gloves in the box, which aren't made from recycled materials, but we're working on sourcing compostable gloves, so watch this space. For more information on our environmental mission, be sure to check out the Arbor Leaves video on our playlist. But for now, let's get back to the colours themselves. There are 9 henna cream colours to choose from, ranging from black right up to golden blonde. It's important to remember that semi-permanent colours won't lighten the hair, so if you put a light brown onto dark brown hair, you won't see anything more than some added shine. In saying that, if you put burgundy or red onto blonde hair, you'll end up with a surprisingly vibrant colour. The same colours on darker hair will add a more subtle hue that pops when it catches the sun. We're in the process of moving over to our new pack designs, so you may notice some differences in our cartons. Let's take a look at how easy it is to use a henna cream colour. So there you have it. It really couldn't be more straightforward. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of our playlist to learn about our other products and meet the rest of the team.